What's going on, everybody? It's Gel. Anyway, today I'm gonna be going over how do I clean the wet capping station, which is right here. And also I'm gonna be going over how to clean the wiper blade. Might as well just include it 2-in-1. So let's get started with this. So what you're gonna need is some cotton, not cotton, but these foam like cleaning swabs, your cleaning solution, whatever you want to use, it doesn't matter. Well, I mean I recommend wet capping station solution, so that's probably the best, but you can use distilled water to clean this. So anyway, oh yeah, napkins, you're gonna need napkins, forgot about that. Let's just cut them in half, little pieces, something like this, fold them up, boom, that'll work. Sorry, I got ink on my hands and my nails from earlier. So what I like to do is basically just drop some solution in there, fill it, don't overfill though, but I hope you can see there. And then all you do is just grab your napkin, and we're just gonna slightly float over it, and look at that. Just lightly touch or press. Bam, look at that. Disgusting. And we're basically just gonna repeat that process until, I don't know, comes out as clear as possible. But I mean, I personally just like to do it a few times, which I'll just do it a few times just for all of you. It's not gonna get any cleaner than this, but it's always good to just kind of clean it once in a while. There it is. Look, disgusting. So this is basically just all the gunk where the print head kind of releases everything. And when you do your print head cleanings, yeah, so it's important to do this because when you're wet capping, let's just say it's dirty, you don't want all this to like go back into your dampers. And yeah, that's and then that just ruins all your inks, really. If all this gunk gets into your white damper, oh man, it's gonna be a headache. So it's always good to clean this. All right, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just stop there. So then what you want to do, sorry, I was throwing away. So then what you want to do is then, you know, you want to wet cap. So don't fill it all the way to the top. You just want enough, because then yeah, like I said, you don't want it to mix in with the dampers. So just enough, just so you can get the print head, you know, lubricated. That way your print head doesn't go bad or dry up. So the next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my cotton swab. We're gonna clean the wiper that cleans the head. Sorry if I don't get all this terminology right. I'm not a printer expert, I guess. I didn't major in computer science or IT, but anyway, enough of that. So your wiper blade, I don't know if you can see, but this right here, this little white piece, oh no, this little white piece right here, my hand keeps covering it up. I'm gonna point at it with this. this right here is your wiper blade. So what you want to do is you just want to push it up. You see? Push it up all the way until it clicks. See that? Right here? That's your blade. So what you're gonna do is just get your cotton swab with clean solution. You don't want to clean the wiper blade. Mine's pretty clean. And then just grab another cleaning swab and just dry it off. I mean, that's what I like to do, just to get the excess gunk. And then what you could do, just grab this, push it back, and then it'll click in place. And that's it. That's all you do. How to clean your wet cap station and your wiper blade. And that's basically the easy maintenance on how to do it. I hope this video helped all of you out. If you have any questions, concerns, drop them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to my channel to help me grow, and I really appreciate it. And if you want more, these types of videos or topics, like I said, put it down in the comments below. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.